Here are some exciting updates regarding the Galaxy S25 Ultra, including an unexpected apology from Samsung for its perceived lack of innovation. Yes, you heard that right. First, let's dive into the design of the rear camera on the S25 Ultra. Last month, leaks provided an initial look at the phone, leading to widespread agreement that it would feature rounded corners. However, the discussion became heated when it came to the camera setup, as leaks and Ice Universe had conflicting opinions. Fast forward to now, we have more clarity. Recent details confirm that the camera rings on the S25 Ultra will resemble those found on the Z46, although with some differences. The lenses will feature thick dark rings, similar to the Z46 Ultra, as depicted in leaked images. Personally, I still believe the camera rings on the S24 Ultra look better, and judging by a poll of 11,000 people, many agree. Switching gears to software, the S25 Ultra will be the first device to launch with One UI 7, touted as Samsung's most significant software update yet. Good news! Ice Universe reports that the latest internal version of One UI 7 is running exceptionally well. Samsung has also redesigned several system UI and app icons, responding to user feedback, particularly regarding the much-criticized gallery icon. Although the new icons are still under wraps, it's encouraging to see Samsung listening to its users. In terms of widgets, One UI 7 will reportedly introduce the most and best options available compared to any other operating system. Early previews show innovative widgets, such as a pill-shaped weather widget and a screen time widget, alongside a new 2x2 routine widget that can display 4 routines simultaneously. There were also rumors about Samsung potentially using MediaTek's Dimensity 9400 chip for the S25 and S25 Plus in some regions. However, recent reports suggest that while discussions took place, Samsung ultimately decided to reserve that chip for the S25 FE. Thus, both the S25 and S25 Plus will likely utilize the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 across all regions, which is promising. Now, onto that rare apology from Samsung. In a press release, the chairman, Li Zhang, admitted the company is facing a crisis and acknowledged that Samsung has not innovated enough. This statement came after the company projected lower-than-expected operating profits for Q3 2024. Li emphasized the need for significant changes to regain momentum, including a 6-day work week for executives to instill a sense of urgency. While it's uncommon for a tech giant like Samsung to admit fault, it shows that they recognize the importance of innovation. Though their products remain high quality, the groundbreaking creativity that initially attracted consumers has been lacking in recent years. This acknowledgement is a step in the right direction, and we hope to see real changes ahead. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and for more updates on the S25 Ultra, be sure to check out the related video.